Hello everyone. We find that the differential calculus is also applied in economics and the commerce. We can see that when we want to find out the rate of change of any of the quantity, then the differential calculus is applied. Here also we are going to learn about the application of the derivatives in commerce. And in this particular video, we are going to learn about the marginal cost. But before going to the marginal cost, we must learn what is the cost function. For the cost function, when we talk about, then we have to talk about the fixed cost and the variable cost. What is the fixed cost? We say in an industry or any of the business, the salary of the permanent employees or the building maintenance, etc., they form the fixed cost, and that is represented by fixed cost FC. What is FC? Suppose the total cost function is given by Cx, then when x is 0 means production is 0, then whatever the cost is given, that is only known as the fixed cost. Then what is variable cost? Variable cost is like salary of the casual employees or laborers, the energy expenditures, etc., the interest taken on any of the loan, that comes under the variable cost. Then what is the total cost? Total cost actually is the sum of these two. So we can say the total cost is equal to the fixed cost plus the variable cost. Hence we say that the cost function Cx is equal to the fixed cost function, we can write as Fx, and the variable cost function we can write as Px. For example, suppose we write Cx as 3x square plus 2x plus 100. X is the number of the commodities which we are producing or supplying in the market. If we substitute the value of x as 0, then we are getting here C0, that is 100. It means the fixed cost is 100 in this case. That's why we say that when x is 0, the value of Cx gives us the fixed cost. Then what is the average cost? Average cost actually is the average of the total cost. Total cost here is Cx. So if we divide Cx by the number of commodities x, that is the average cost. We can also write this as AC in short. Then what is the marginal cost? Marginal cost actually is the rate of change of the cost with respect to the number of commodities produced or supplied. It means what we can say that marginal cost C is equal to C dash x, or we can say it is d by dx of Cx. That is the marginal cost. Now what is the marginal average cost? Marginal average cost is the derivative of the average cost. It means we can say that this is d by dx of average cost means Cx upon x. Now we want to learn about the relation between the marginal cost and the average cost. As we have seen here that the marginal average cost is given as d by dx of average cost. That is equal to d by dx of Cx upon x. We know the quotient rule of derivative. According to that, will it be x square here in the denominator, and that is x into d by dx of Cx minus Cx into d by dx of x. Is it equal to x into d by dx of Cx is C dash x, we can say, that is the marginal cost, minus Cx dx into 1 divided dx of x is 1 divided by x square. Can we say that this is equal to c dash x upon x minus cx upon x square? If we take 1 upon x as common, will it be c dash x minus cx upon x? What is c dash x? That is the marginal cost. Is it equal to then marginal cost and cx upon x is the average cost, that is average cost. It means we find a relation between the marginal average cost, marginal cost and the average cost, that marginal average cost is equal to 1 upon x into marginal cost minus the average cost. It means that is the value of the difference between the marginal cost and average cost divided by the number of commodities, that is x. Now we'll learn some of the examples on marginal cost. The first example here we discuss is the total cost function of x units of a product is cx equal to x cube minus 4x square plus 6x plus 12. We have to find number 1 the marginal cost, number 2 the average cost, and number 3 the marginal average cost. To find the solution of such problem, we are writing in the total cost function cx, that is x cube minus 4x square plus 6x plus 12. First of all, we have to find out the marginal cost, the first part. So we write here marginal cost, and we know that marginal cost is c dash x, or we can say d by dx of cx. If we differentiate this, that is d by dx of x cube minus 4x square plus 6x plus 12. That is equal to x cube, d by dx of x cube is 3x square minus 4 into 2x, that is 8x, plus 6 into 1 and plus 0, so it comes as 3x square minus 8x plus 6. This is the marginal cost function. In the second part, we have to find out the average cost. We know that average cost is cx divided by x, that is cost function divided by x. So it is x cube minus 4x square plus 6x plus 12 divided by x, which is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6 plus 12 upon x. This is the average cost function. Now in the third part, we will find out the marginal average cost. Marginal average cost we know is d by dx of the average cost, that is AC. That is equal to d by dx of x square minus 4x plus 6 plus 12 upon x. d by dx of x square is 2x minus 4 into 1 plus 0 and minus 12 upon x square. d by dx of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. This is equal to 2x minus 4 minus 12 upon x square. This is the marginal average cost. The second example we are going to discuss is the average cost function for producing x units of a product is given as 3x minus 12 plus 25 upon x. We have to find total cost function, marginal cost and the fixed cost. For the solution of this, we have to remember that the average cost is given as cx upon x or not. That's the cost function, total cost function divided by x. It means the total cost function cx can be given by average cost into x. So here we have been given average cost as 3x minus 12 plus 25 upon x. We multiplied by x to find out the value of cx. After multiplying, are we getting 3x square minus 12x plus 25 or not? And that is the total cost function. In the second case, this was A. In the B part, we have to find out the marginal cost. We know that marginal cost is given by d by dx of cx, that is c dash x. If we differentiate this, that is d by dx of 3x square minus 12x plus 25. Are we getting here 6x minus 12 plus 0, or we can say 6x minus 12. Now in part C, we have to find out the fixed cost. And we know that the fixed cost is given as C0. C0 means the value of the cost function when x is 0. And the cost function here is 3x square minus 12x plus 25. We have to put x is equal to 0 to find out the fixed cost. When we substitute the value of x as 0, will it be 0 minus 0 plus 25, or we say 25 is the answer. So in this video we have learnt about the marginal cost, average cost, marginal average cost, etc. In the next video we will be learning about the revenue function and the marginal revenue function. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.